Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Randall and Murphy here. Today's Monday, November the 14th, 2022 AD. And I got my little buddy here, who, when you make a loud enough noise, will walk to you. Right? Wags his tail, too. Wag your tail. Nod your head. I probably can't. You can see him move his legs. I'm trying to tell him about you. How much cuter and adorable can that be? I mean, it is kind of cute and adorable. Okay, I'm gonna turn him off. Here's how you turn him off. Just for a little bit. It won't be long. You got a little Velcro down here, and there is an off switch. I don't know if you can see it here. Okay. Now, it requires 3 AA batteries, which go right in here. And you do have to have your own little screwdriver. Okay, let me get back and focus here. There we go. Okay, so there is a little screw right there that you have to unscrew. And they made this Velcro and this Velcro on this side. They made this just long enough on that side so you can actually do it. I wish they'd made it a little bit longer so it'd be easier to take in and take out the batteries. I mean, it's doable, obviously, but it's really tight. So, again, when you're done, just seal it up with the Velcro and cover it over. And he's a cute and adorable little doggy. I don't know what this gray stuff's for. I think it would look better if it didn't have that on there. But overall, I'm giving it the 2 thumbs up. And then all you gotta do to turn it back on is find that little switch right there. Turn it to the side. So until next time, I'm Randall and Roof. This is my new little buddy saying thanks for watching. Have a good day. And God bless. Bye. Say bye.